So, what happens if you eat garlic every day? For centuries, it's been used as medicine, not just flavor. Even the ancient physician Hippocrates was onto something, and now modern science is finally catching up. So, what's the secret behind this little bulb's power? Let's dive into the science. It all comes down to a powerful compound called allicin. But here's the catch, it's not active yet. See, you actually have to crush, chop, or chew the garlic to unlock its full medicinal power. And here's a pro tip. Follow the 10-minute rule to get the maximum health benefits from that allicin. All right, so how does this stuff actually work inside your body? First up, your immune system. Allicin basically supercharges your white blood cells, helping you fight off things like colds and flu. Yeah, get this. One study showed daily garlic meant a whopping 63% fewer colds than a placebo. But it's not just about colds. Garlic is also a huge ally for your heart. It helps relax your blood vessels, which can lower blood pressure, sometimes as much as standard medications. And speaking of heart health, it also helps manage cholesterol, specifically the bad kind that clogs arteries. How much? Well, research shows it could lower that bad LDL cholesterol by up to 10%. And we're not done yet. Let's talk about your gut, because garlic plays a huge role there too. Basically, garlic is a prebiotic. It's food for the good bacteria that are already living in your gut. When those good gut bacteria are happy, you get less bloating and absorb nutrients way better. Okay, so you're probably wondering, what's the best way to actually eat this stuff? Well, you've got a choice. Raw garlic has the most punch, but cooking it is gentler on your stomach. So how much do you need? For most people, 1 or 2 raw cloves a day does the trick. But hold on, before you go all in, you should know it's not for everyone. Yeah, if you're on blood thinners or have issues like acid reflux, you'll want to check with a doctor. And for anyone, just listen to your body. If you get heartburn or an upset stomach, maybe scale it back. So what's the takeaway? This ancient food has some seriously powerful, science-backed benefits. It really makes you wonder, right? What other superfoods are just sitting there in our kitchens?